homemade Crumbl cookies. So I'm about to head to the store to pick up the ingredients. I don't usually bake. My wife's the one who bakes. This is my little treat for her. So I'm like, I'm gonna make a high protein cookie. I already told her that I'm gonna get a Crumbl cookie today. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell her, oh yeah, I figured because I'm making these homemade protein cookies, I just didn't get Crumbl. And then she's gonna be like, what? And then I'm just gonna have it underneath the counter and be like, just kidding. And she's gonna be so excited. I'm back from the store. So I had to get almond flour, cottage cheese, honey, and then I got these sugar-free chocolate chips, baking powder. I need vanilla extract, 1 egg, and a mixing bowl. Preheat oven to 350. Preheating. And I'm gonna put this in the blender. It's gonna be fun. 250 grams of cottage cheese. There we go. 1 egg. 1/3 cup of honey. Look at that. Oh my god. It's got honey on the floor. I can't wait for my wife to watch this video. The next thing is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Hopefully it actually blends. Blend until smooth. Oh yeah, that looks good. The next thing, 260 grams of almond flour. 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. There we go. And mix all this stuff together now. Start mixing this bowl of flour till it makes it into a dough. Oh, we're gonna add a scoop of protein. So it's gonna be kind of chocolatey. I feel like I'm gonna have to add a little bit more liquid in here, but are you guys proud of me? All right, let's get some of these chocolate chips in there. Remember, these are sugar-free. I can't wait to hear what my wife thinks of them. That looks so good. All right, time to transfer these into a cookie sheet. It said use parchment paper. Also, it said use an ice cream scooper. Because it said to use an ice cream scooper, I'm gonna use an ice cream scooper. Let's see this. Yeah, that didn't help at all. All right, about to put these in the oven and see how they come out. We're gonna set this 15 to 16 minutes. You could have just chosen one. I mean, 15 or 16 is not much different. But yeah, now all we have to do is wait. Just shut up already. All right, look at these cookies. Got some chocolate chips in there. I hope my wife likes them. Once she gets home, I'm gonna surprise her being like, oh, I didn't get Crumbl cookies. She's gonna try one of these. And then she'll have Crumbl cookies. There you know what's happening. All right, wanna try the cookies?
They smell good.
Yeah, I don't feel like it.
They're pretty good.
So I didn't get
Very
Crumbl
dry.
cookies. I know, I didn't get Crumbl cookies. I thought you were gonna like these. Psych! Oh my god. So now you gotta check those and you gotta tell me which one's better. Of all 4 Crumbl cookies, which one's your favorite?
Pretty low one.
Should you like mine the best? No, alright, that's all. Bye.